Hello! In this video, I will show step-by-step how to create a Meta Ads Manager account, also known as a Meta Advertising Manager account. If this video is useful for you, don't forget to like the video. This way, it will also appear in front of other users who are searching for this video and will be helpful for them as well. Now, without wasting time, let's move on to the process. In order to create a Meta Advertising account, first, you need a Meta Business Suite account. If you do not yet have a Meta Business Suite account, you can learn how to create one by clicking the card above. Now let's start creating the advertising account. First, log into your Meta Business Suite account. In the menu on the left side, click once on the section where your business name is written. In the small window that opens, click the gear icon located in the top right corner. A new page will open in front of you. From the menu on the left side, click on the Add Account section. Then, click the Add button on the page that opens. A new window will open. Here, click on the Create a New Ad Account option located at the top. On the page that opens, you need to enter the information related to your advertising account. Write your ad account name, then select the time zone and currency. There is a small but important detail here. I especially recommend that you choose the correct time zone, because later, while planning advertisements, if your time zone is wrong, your ads may be published at different times instead of the time you planned. After entering the information, click the Next button. In the window that opens, select the My Business option and click the Next button. On the page that opens, check the box at the bottom and then click the Create Ad Account button. Congratulations! Your ad account has been created. Now, we will make a few more small settings and your account will become completely ready to use. For this, return to Meta Business Suite again. From the menu on the left side, click Ads Manager, then click the Account Overview tab. On the page that opens, click the Set Up Now button located under the text Optimize your campaigns with automatic application. Check all the options in the window that opens and press the Save button. A little below, you need to confirm the relationship between your Facebook page and the advertising account. For this, click the Confirm button. After that, you need to add a phone number to your advertising account. Click the Add Phone Number option and verify your number by following the steps in the video. The next step is adding a payment method. In order for the expenses to be automatically charged when your ads are published, you need to define a payment method for your account. For this, click the Add Payment Method button. In the window that opens, make sure that your country, currency, and time zone are correct. If everything is correct, click the Next button. As a payment method, you can add a debit card, credit card, or PayPal account. I will continue with a debit or credit card. Select this option and click the Next button again. On the page that appears in front of you, enter your card information, the cardholder's first and last name, card number, expiration date, and CVV code correctly. After entering all the information, click the Save button. And the process is complete. Your Meta Advertising account is now fully ready. From now on, you can start creating and publishing your advertisements. By the way, for the most important information, updates, and new developments related to Meta advertisements, you can visit the socialskillhub.com website. If you need professional social media advertising services for your business, you can benefit from our services by messaging the Digital Compass Baku page on Instagram.